Okay, hello everybody. So I hope that you're having a fantastic weekend, and I hope that you had a chance to relax, get some me time, because during the week can be very stressful for many of us, especially when you have a lot of responsibility. So I hope that it was great, and I hope that you have an even better week, and that it's not too chaotic. So this is one of my packages I just got, and this is my anti-aging and anti-inflammation health supplement. And these are the packets that I use, and they can kind of be smelly, but they're really good for when you just want to help your skin. You want to kind of put a little bit better, something better in there when you have inflammation in your body. And you always want to check with your doctor first, of course. I just had my hair cut today, so it's a little tricky trying to figure out how to style it because it was cut a little bit shorter than what I was wanting. Kind of once they start cutting it, then it's a little too late. So I'm just gonna roll with it. Yeah, so a lot of you might not be used to seeing me with hair this short, so I apologize if it gets your anxiety going. So no, my jokes are so lame. But yeah, so these can be kind of smelly, but they help out a lot. And what I do is, oh baby, yeah, what I do is I mix it with honey, and then just mix it in a hot tea. You can mix it into whatever you want though. And it comes out yellow, so I know, baby. I know, RV. So it does come out like a bright yellow, so it will kind of stain your fingers. You want to make sure you don't have anything that you don't accidentally want stained. I've never had anything permanently stained unless I haven't cleaned it out in time. Sometimes you got to scrub, so just make sure you're wearing something that can get a little dirty, because this can sometimes float, go airborne while you're pouring it into your cup, while you're mixing. If you're doing it on a certain tabletop, so there's just a little warning, but this is very good stuff and I love it. And I've been taking it for about I'd say about 9 months. And yeah, I noticed a lot less inflammation in my knees. I have scar tissue and it's kind of built up really bad, and I noticed it's a little easier to be able to do things than it was before I started taking it. So if you have any questions about this, just go ahead and comment below, and I can go ahead and answer them for you. Obviously, you want to talk to your doctor before you ingest anything if you're really worried about it. If you think that it might interfere with something else you're taking, I would just talk to your doctor first. If you find any value in this, hit the like button and subscribe button, and then hit the bell for all notifications that you can get future videos like this. And I hope that you find value in my videos, because a lot of times our quality of life can be, life can be chaotic. You may not have the most money, you're not eating the best, you're stressed out, you're having issues with your body, and of course sometimes you feel like you don't have the money to do things, but honestly you're going to pay for it one way or another. You're going to pay for it either with putting things in your body that help prevent issues later on, or you pay for it with your health insurance, your health premiums. If you're uninsured, you're paying for it with doctor's visits, with getting illnesses. And so you want to prevent that. So sometimes it's just worth trying to come up with a little extra money and pay for things that help give you a better quality of life now, because even if you do have an illness that is in the beginning stages and you don't know about it, sometimes things can help that when they do start, they're not as bad. If you're already on a good regimen, using things that are good for you and that help with the problems that you're having before it turns into something else. Or so obviously, like I said, you want to talk to your doctor, make sure there's nothing in here that can interfere, nothing that will be harmful to your body and what you've got going on. But let's see what the ingredients are in this really quick. Turmeric extract, 300 milligrams, collagen protein, 400 milligrams. It has 0 grams of total sugars, 0 grams of saturated fat. It has 5 calories. It has a proprietary blend of blueberry powder, calcium ascorbate, silicon dioxide, hyaluronic acid, and D-biotin. And then other ingredients are glyvia, silicon dioxide, and natural flavors. And then it is manufactured in a facility that processes milk, soy, eggs, nuts, and wheat. So, if you have allergies to that, you definitely want to make sure about that. we don't want any allergic reactions. But if you're overall pretty healthy and your doctor gives you okay, I think these can really help. In addition to other things, obviously, like exercise, you know, doing skincare, all that type of thing. And yeah, so like I said, if you have any questions, just comment below. If you can message me through YouTube, you could do that as well. Or you can find me on one of my other social medias, and I'll be glad to talk with you about this, about any of the products that I feature. You know, I'm definitely certainly not rich, but I just rather do things now than risk getting something later. You know, so just trying to do my best, even though it's a little late in life. I'm 37. It's better at 37 than it is 57 or 77. So, you know, but I hope you guys all have a great week, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.